Welcome to this video walking you through some of the new features and changes in Analyst Notebook version 10. If you've never used Analyst Notebook before, this video will give you an idea of how it works. If you're upgrading from a previous version, you'll see what we've been working on to make your experience even better. Version 10 onwards comes with performance improvements and operates on 64-bit for the first time. This means that you can upload more data than before, and Analyst Notebook responds and loads more quickly than ever. As we upload this Excel datasheet with a predefined import specification and open it within Analyst Notebook, we're presented with our data in the Peacock chart layout. Let's change the arrangement so we can get a better picture of the data we've imported. The data covers mobile phone communications in the form of call data records between individuals we're investigating. One area of interest could be searching for patterns of life within our telecoms data. One of the tools which enables us to do this is the time wheel. Selecting a property here immediately shows us a pattern of events directly relating to the information that we've just imported. The colours of each segment and their intensity reveals where the most active spots are. We can also change the way the scale appears using the options here, and you can adjust the ranges for each ring individually to change the way the data is presented. As with all Analyst Notebook tools, selecting data within a tool also interacts with the chart surface. So, when I click this segment, it selects the corresponding data points on our chart. Now that we've found these data points using the time wheel, we can draw attention to them using highlight items, which can also be found in the Analyze tab. If we select highlight items, the data points revealed by the time wheel will now display an animation to make them stand out. Perfect for when you want to present chart data to those unfamiliar with Analyst Notebook, or just to make sure you can easily see and find the data you need. You can change the exact appearance and behaviour of the animations used for highlighting, and both entities and links can be highlighted independently with different behaviours. Speaking of selection, our selection tools in version 10 have been expanded, allowing you finer control within selecting type or semantic type. The select tools here enable you to select all items in certain categories. You can then filter that selection further using the filter tools. Deselecting is another way to refine your intended selection, which can then be used to create new charts, highlight items, or assist in creating a new group, like this. Grouping chart items in version 10 now comes with more customization options, and groups can be named independently too. Grouping allows you to visualize associations that may not otherwise be revealed to your audience by the links on your chart. Another feature that can help make things less cluttered or be used to remove information that you may not want to be visible on your chart at that point is the Attribute Display option. In the View tab, you'll see a checkbox for attributes, which when checked will display all attributes beneath an entity or link. Unchecking this box will hide all these attributes on the chart until you check the box again. All your information is still there, hidden away for when you need a clearer picture to present to others, or to help your chart's readability in the moment. You can still work with attributes from your data when they're hidden. Let's take a look at the Style tab and make a conditional format using an attribute to show you. Conditional formatting is a powerful tool within Analyst Notebook that we've also given more utility in version 10. Let's make a new specification. We can create a new rule that means every entity with an attribute that relates to the area code in the phone number should have its display icon changed based on which area code it has. And while we're in the icon picker, it's a good time to mention that in version 10 we have more icons available than ever before, keeping in touch with modern developments and technology. We're always adding to our icon library to make your work easier and allowing for more diversity and specificity in your charts. You can request new icons for your work needs with us by emailing support@i2group.com. Since most of our data relates to UK phone numbers, let's use the UK flag icon against the area code of +44 being present in the attributes. Now that we've chosen the icon that will replace the old one, that means when we save and format with our new rule, each entity with that attribute will now undergo a change in display icon. Conditional formatting is a great way of quickly achieving tasks that would take you a lot longer to achieve manually. Bear in mind that conditional formatting is capable of changing any style property on the chart. This can be used to powerful effect. Moving to another chart, we can showcase our new playback tools in version 10. You can see we now have the capability to allow playbacks both forwards and backwards on a timeline, so we can track and animate the movement of operations using histograms. We are also able to perform similar operations with our Insights application, which works in partnership with Analyst Notebook for geospatial data, allowing you to track movements on a map. Our applications work in tandem with one another. A feature like list records, which is part of version 10, can be used to see a more itemized list of entities from the data you've uploaded, but it can also be used with iBase and i2 Analyst data. Data here can also be copied as text to take outside of Analyst Notebook if needed. That's been an overview of some of the changes and additions that have come with version 10 of Analyst Notebook. There's lots of functionality that we haven't covered for anyone new to the application, and we're always working on exciting additions to the software in future. If you're interested in finding out more or upgrading to version 10, don't hesitate to reach out and speak to our teams.